Affirm means to declare something as true or to confirm it. Synonyms include assert and ratify, while antonyms are deny, disavow, reject, veto, and disallow. Deter means to discourage or prevent actions through fear or doubt. It is the opposite of encouraging or urging on. It is crucial in contexts where preventing negative outcomes is essential, such as insecurity or behavioral management. Empower means to give power or authority, enabling or permitting actions. Synonyms include authorize and license, while antonyms are forbid, prohibit, ban, and disqualify. It's used where authority and permission are central, such as leadership and governance. Fluent describes the ability to speak or write with ease and grace. Synonyms include eloquent, articulate, and glib, highlighting smooth communication. In contrast, antonyms like tongue-tied and choppy suggest difficulty in expression. Mastery of fluency enhances effective communication, crucial in both personal and professional settings. Mangle, a verb, means to injure severely through cutting, tearing, or crushing, often leading to ruin. Synonyms include mutilate, butcher, disfigure, and rend. It helps in recognizing the severity of damage or destruction in various contexts. Misapprehension refers to a wrong idea or misunderstanding. It's crucial to recognize how misconceptions can lead to errors in judgment or decision-making. Identifying and addressing these misunderstandings can improve communication and outcomes. Synonymously known as misconception, it highlights the importance of clarity in conveying information. Recitation involves delivering a memorized text, such as a poem or prose, in public. It is synonymous with recital, performance, and presentation, emphasizing the art of verbal expression and memory. Enhances public speaking skills, and fosters a deeper connection with the material. A supplement is an addition that completes or compensates for a deficiency. As a noun, it refers to something added, like an extension. As a verb, it means to provide this addition. Synonyms include addition and extension, highlighting its role in enhancing or completing something. Surge, as a verb, describes a heavy, violent, swelling motion, akin to waves, while as a noun, it signifies a powerful forward rush. Synonyms include flood, rush, burst, and gush, with antonyms like recede, ebb, recession, and slow down. Unscrupulous describes someone who is dishonest and lacks moral principles. Synonyms include crooked, corrupt, and shady, while antonyms are fair, honest, trustworthy, and above board. It identifies behaviors that are ethically questionable.